In New York City as we speak, very much so literally the calm before the storm. If you were waking up with us in any of the 5 boroughs and you're looking at your refrigerator and it's not well stocked, this might be a great time to wake up early this morning before lunchtime, get out there and go ahead and fill up your refrigerators and all that you'll need, because we're expecting that through this afternoon, this evening, overnight, and through tomorrow. You will be hunkering down in place. Most likely school will get canceled. We'll, of course, be checking in with New York City Mayor Zohran Mamdani. That's going to be later on in the show, so you'll want to certainly make sure that you tune in for that. But let me show you this. Blizzard warnings are in effect. It encompasses the entire state of New Jersey. It's the Jersey Shore all the way up through Long Island, friends and family up toward the Cape. You look at Nantucket, you look at Martha's Vineyard. You are in that blizzard warning, just meaning that we're expecting for visibilities to get to drop below 1/4 mile. Here's what the big picture looks like, and you can see snow stretching from Pennsylvania and upstate New York all the way down through the southeast. So let's start from a bottoms-up perspective real quick. We saw the showers. We're seeing some thunderstorms toward places like the Outer Banks, so the Cape out that way. You head up toward the Delmarva. We're seeing rain. D.C., no surprises here. We've been forecasting rain on the onset of this. Same sort of story in New York, where I think we start off with a few raindrops to get things going. And then as we head into the mid to late morning, that all transitions over to snow. But I think it all falls in the form of snow up toward Boston. So I don't think that you'll see much in the way of rain up that way. So timing all of this out for you, watch this very carefully. New York by mid-morning, 7, 8, 9 p.m., I think we'll see a couple of rain showers mixing with snowflakes. And then by lunchtime and beyond, it's all snow. And that snow train is with us through 6 p.m. this evening, so around dinner time tonight. This is I-95 from D.C. all the way up through Boston, locked and loaded with snow. I'll keep that highlighted there through not just midnight tonight, but when things really gear up. Here's where our area of low pressure is, by the way, our nor'easter, as it screams up the East Coast by 6 a.m. This is tomorrow morning on Monday. Look at the 95 corridor, again, highlighted right here. It's all snow and plenty of it with lots of winds. You know, the way that some people are describing just the look of this is literally going to look like almost like a hurricane off the coast. But of course, it's all filled with snow. But the 70+ mile/per-hour wind gusts are certainly going to be possible out of this as well. And again, to Melanie's point, in just Boston alone, they have hundreds of flights that have been canceled. Regionally wide, we have over 3,000 flights that have already been canceled. You look at the reasons why, because of all of the snow. Quick localization for you. New York City, we have upped our snow totals to 18 to 24 inches. You look at places like Philadelphia. Philadelphia now up to 18 to 24 inches for you, with right along the Jersey Shore, measuring that with a meter sticker, what we call a yardstick, right? With feet of snow expected there. Baltimore down toward D.C., a good 5 to 8 inches. Nick, you can imagine what this is going to, the impacts this is going to have on travel, not just locally, but around the region, if not around the United States.
Yeah, I mean, that